Hey guys, Caleb here with Steve Meyer's Service to take a look at the Toro Zmaster 5000 series with the MyRide feature. So first off, in order to adjust your seat forwards and backwards, you got this orange lever right here. You're going to pull inwards, and that will allow you to scoot your seat forwards and backwards. Next, we're going to take a look at your height of cut assembly. So here we got your diagram that lays out your different heights that you can cut your grass at. In order to change that height of cut, first thing we're going to want to do, move that into the lock position. And then you're going to take your foot pedal here, push that forwards, and that's going to lock the deck in the transport position. Then you can remove your pin, put it wherever you'd like for your desired cutting height, and then you're going to take that foot pedal again, push forwards with it, and then pull back to that unlock position. That's going to drop your deck down to the cutting height. Then we're going to take a look at your parking brake. Simply push forwards to release it and pull backwards to engage it. As we come to the side here, we're going to take a look at your control panel. Now, because this is an EFI model, you're not going to see a choke cable. So we got your key switch, you got your hour meter, we got your throttle, and your PTO. So when you turn your key switch on, it's going to display a lot of important information like clutch hours, battery voltage, hours till you change your oil, hours till you change your hydraulics, and then you're going to have your standard screen. It's also going to show you your fuel level and your safety features there at the top. In order to engage the deck, you're going to want the throttle at full throttle, and just pull up on your switch there. And push down to shut the blades off, and you'll be all set. And as we come to the back, we're going to take a look at your engine, as well as the battery, and the MyRide suspension. So first off, we got your battery here on the right hand side. Real nice and easy access, whether that is changing out the battery, putting a battery tender on it to charge it, or if you like to hook up a sprayer and pull it behind, you got easy access to those connections, so that's great. Next, we got the dipstick, which is both your fill and your check. We got your air filter, got your fuel filter right here. As we go down to the back, you're going to have your oil filter, and this is going to be your oil drain. That flexible hose that comes out the back is going to allow you to drain the oil into a pan. Makes it real nice and mess-free. Then we have your MyRide suspension. So you fold these two clamps down, and you can scoot your springs in for softer, or you can scoot them out for firmer. Then once you have your desired suspension ride, you're going to just push up on those clamps. It's going to tighten everything up. Right here we have your ROPS, or your rollover protection system. So when you pull these out like they are, you can take your roll bar here, push it up, move those to where they line up, give it a push, then that locks the pins in place. Now you got your roll bar up there real nice and safe for you. As we come to the side here, you're going to see this latch right here. That's going to allow us to fold our seat up so that we can get access to the top of the transmissions. That's where you find your transmission dipsticks on each side. Now this is going to have the Parker 12cc integrated pump and wheel motor system on it, so you're going to have a 10-mile-an-hour ground speed. As we continue to come to the side, you're going to have your gas tank right here, which holds 12 gallons. It also has some nice features like the easy detach for the belt covers. So you pull back. That's going to let you take your belt covers off, whether that's you need to change your belt, you want to blow the grass out, or whatever you'd like. And all you do, set it right back on, give it a bump, and it's right in place. Then as we go to the side over here, we're going to take a look at the adjustable baffle that the Turbo Force deck has on it. So this is a 7-gauge deck, fully commercial, with the front bullnose design, so real nice heavy-duty design. And you're going to see this sticker here, which that's going to be your adjustable baffle sticker. So right now it's in position C. So here in Ohio we got some pretty thick and wet grass, so you're going to want that in position C. And what that does, that is this baffle right here. So that has the deck opening as wide as it can be so that we can spread that grass as much as we can. If you had a bagger on the mower, You could put it in position B simply by turning the knob to loosen it up, and then you'd scoot it to position B. That's going to shorten up that baffle right here, close off the opening, which is going to increase your suction force and pick up the grass more, and leaves, obviously, if you're running a bagger. Then lastly, you got position A. So if you're down south, maybe you got some thin, wispy grass, you can close that all the way down, and that's really going to close that baffle off and create the most suction possible. So you can really pick up that grass that's laying over as much as possible. Now this mower has a 5-year, 1,200-hour warranty on it. And this is really going to be a great mower for the commercial guys who are looking to do it every day, or if you're a homeowner with a really big property and you want something that's going to last you, 15, maybe even 20 years, depending upon how you take care of it. This is going to be a great machine for that. All right, thank you for watching, guys. Leave any questions or comments below. Have a good day.